Welcome to this strategic briefing on operational technology resilience, from air gaps to attack surfaces, securing the new industrial reality. Securing operational technology is a different paradigm from IT security. OT is governed by the non-negotiable demands of physical processes, prioritizing availability and safety. This requires a specialized cybersecurity approach. Historically, OT environments were isolated by an air gap, creating closed ecosystems that relied on security by obscurity. This led to a schism, with little interaction between IT and OT systems. Now, the line between IT and OT is blurring due to strategic business decisions. Drivers like IP-enabled devices, lower-cost software, demand for efficiency, and remote access capabilities are converging these worlds. The Colonial Pipeline incident showed that targeting IT systems can paralyze critical national infrastructure. The key takeaway is that the interdependence of IT and OT makes vulnerability anywhere a critical failure everywhere. Downtime in industrial environments is a catastrophic financial event. The cost of an outage often exceeds $300,000 per hour. Investing in OT resilience is not an expense. It is insurance for the organization's revenue stream. Digital connectivity has accelerated the expansion of the attack surface, making OT a high-value target. Vulnerabilities are a norm, requiring a strategic management program. Critical manufacturing and energy systems are the most affected sectors. Attackers exploit seams between IT and OT, human factors, and legacy technology. Common vectors include remote access exploits, phishing, unpatched systems, supply chain attacks, and removable media. Legacy technology is the backbone of industrial operations, representing a persistent technical debt. Over 75% of infrastructure is legacy dependent due to compatibility, high replacement costs, and unacceptable downtime risk. The path forward requires a strategic, holistic approach. We must build a resilient security posture founded on 5 strategic pillars: govern, architect, see, defend, and prepare. The govern pillar establishes cross-functional governance and unified security policies. The architect pillar focuses on defense in depth, enforcing network segmentation via the Purdue model and zero trust principles. The C pillar emphasizes that you cannot protect what you cannot see. Effective security starts with a complete and accurate asset inventory, built on passive first discovery and controlled active collection. The defend pillar deploys OT-aware controls like virtual patching for legacy systems. This includes protocol-aware anomaly detection for semantic attacks and unidirectional gateways to physically enforce data flow in one direction. The prepare pillar ensures the organization can respond and recover effectively. This involves OT-centric playbooks, an integrated response team, specialized cyber forensics, and regular drills and testing. Resilience is a strategic imperative. The convergence of digital and physical worlds demands a proactive strategy of resilience, built on unified governance, defense in depth, comprehensive visibility, advanced controls, and preparedness. The time to build a resilient future is now.